Welcome in the makeup therapy. I'm Manuela. How old I am? I'm 46 years old and I love makeup. I'm doing lots of chatty looks, trying to be creative and learn to be creative because I believe that creativity, just a pinch of, it's helping to solve other problems in life and look from different perspective. So that's the training. And generally, I am suffering with depression. I would like to say I was. Today I'm coming to you with not a makeup because obviously I'm pretty much wearing one. But with the unboxing is my monthly ice cream beauty box. And I want to show you what is in the September one. I'm really having fun with my how I'm forgetting everything today. But I'll show you what was this time. I was kind of surprised and not too much excited. I don't know, but it's not just my opinion. I have a friend over here. Maybe I should try these items, but I have friends over here on YouTube, and it was not just me to have that kind of impression. Okay, so every month we are receiving the box. This box is it was $25. Now it's like around $30. Still great value for whatever you're getting, and it's from 5, I believe, to 7 products. And this month I lost the card somewhere, but I was really reading it. I lost the card, yeah. But we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 7 products. So we're starting with the one in the box here. It's a premium makeup brush from Manage, and this brand was already in the box. I believe that I have even one brush I used today from that box. I didn't toss it somewhere because I am a little bit like all over the place. But I believe I have some brush from that brand, and I really like it. It's different shape than it's in the box. I'm trying to grab it and show you. I believe that's this one. Yes. So this is the brush which was previous. It's like a smart brush, but a little bit thicker. I really like it. I was surprised how much I'm using it. I always getting intuitive kind of with my brushes. I'm not a fan of one brand. I'm more like looking for the shape or they will function well. And this time it's a little bit, it's a bigger brush, very soft. It's like a face brush, but round one, so you can basically very nice smudge the blush, and it's very soft. So I'm glad that I see this brand again because, like I said, I enjoyed that little brush from the previous month. So that's very nice. Another thing is Illuminati multi-chrome gel eyeliner. Mine is like purple to green on the dark side, and what I can tell you about it, when you place it, it will stay for long. I did a little swatch. It's really having that duochromy or multi-chromy reflect. It's pretty on the dark side, which I don't complain for that season. And it's looking like so. It has a smudgy sponge on the back, and then here is the plastic component with the color, and the color looks like it's delicate, it's soft, and you can see probably, I hope so, I can see that it is shifty. It is shifty. One side is really emerald green, the other side is like a purple. It's great. It's grand. That's not bad. Now then we have Magify, I don't know, the mascara. Never tried this brand, never try mascara, and I don't really read this type of information here, so I don't know exactly what, but I believe that it's here is the information about B121, and I don't know, like something like that. Yeah, I'm not opening now because I have mascaras open. I have the little mascara I'm working on from Chanel. Chanel, and the other big one from Physician Formula, and I have from Beauty One Cosmetics, so 3 is plenty for me. Now there is a lip duo, and I think it's a little bit kind of, I don't know, maybe I don't feel like this is super what? Super autumnal. No, I will say this way. This is Appeal liquid lipstick and Appeal gel liner in the shade Chic, and the lipstick, I don't know. Here is something also Chic. So this is Chic. I didn't open this. Maybe I should do the opening, grand opening. It's too much plastic. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I fight with the plastic, so let's start with the Chic eyeliner, lip liner. And this is like you're rolling this out, this part, I think. And I don't like this kind of stuff. I don't know how to use it. Okay, you can work on it. It's just like not that very easy. So this is a liner. It's a little bit not my cup of tea, honestly. And the lip, it's just practically identical color. And this is the applicator. I will try that in some point. But it's like didn't get me, kind of. This box somehow didn't get me. It's practical, but it didn't get me. And now it's a palette. It's a palette from The Lonely Scarecrow by Poppy and Fluff Cosmetics. And I will swatch this palette for you guys. Obviously, I will not use it because I have makeup. I will use it only if someone asks me to use it, to be honest. This is the look of the palette. And I'm gonna swatch that on the hand, just simply swatches. So the names are like a crow, that's a black one. Straw is a yellow. Then we have Rajendi, this is this here shimmer. Harvest is this one. Then we have Crops, it's this dark green. And then if I see well, it Fields is this lighter green. Autumn, this is this burgundy one, very pretty. And Tati Hat, it's this one. Now the green Fall. Then Leaves, the red one. Then Patch is this one, I don't know how to say it, more orangey kind of. And then Sprouts is this another green. So green heavy, definitely. It's on the green side, green burgundy, the peachy kind of. Let's swatch this. And black, obviously black. Black is helpful to have. Black is blacking. Yeah, that's black. Crow, and now it's Straw, the yellow. Oh, yellow is very strong. Now this yellow shimmer, yellow with some multicolor situation. Rajendi. It's more on the chunky side and very reflective. And you see it's green. It's green, green to pink. You don't see this yellow much. This yellow base is kind of disappearing. Yeah. Now maybe I need tissue because my main favorite fingers are busy occupied. I hope that you guys are doing well. What do you think about this? I don't know. I was like kind of puzzled when I saw this, and sometimes I'm more exciting. I don't know. Maybe it's just a phrase in the mood. I don't know. But it was not, didn't get me. Now this peach, which I kind of a little bit with this color story, and maybe I don't understand that very well, but who am I? Yeah, I still don't understand this shade, kind of. Maybe this is like for inner corner delicate something, I don't know. Now green, that's a rich one. Rich green. Now the lighter green. The cool ashy undertone kind of. Very lovely. And the burgundy, which called autumn. Yeah, it's also nice. I love this kind of, these two shades are very pretty. My cup of tea. I definitely know this is not my cup of tea at all. I don't feel like this. It's like matching with the rest, you know what I mean. But, okay. But it is what it is. And now the brown. That's the brown. Oh, this looks interesting. Darker shimmer, green. Very reflective and rich. This is leaves, metallic. It's metallic. Now this patch. It's yeah, it's more orangey kind of. And when you swatch it, it's orange. No, pigment is nice. It's very nice. Though I also kind of thinking that I know it's made by Not Your Basic Step, this brand, and I see that this maybe I had that impression from the very beginning with the name and with the kind of cover and all of this kind of artwork that is like dedicated maybe for younger people. It's very reflective, very reflective, very green heavy palette, very green heavy palette. That is maybe dedicated for younger people because it's like a little like it's not quite adult, you know what I mean? Like it's like kind of teenager vibe. I feel from that cover name and all of that kind of things. It's like more on that for younger people maybe. I'm 46. I was struggling to remind myself of my age, and I feel like that kind of everything is giving that young people energy. Yeah, like dedicated for younger generation, maybe young adults who like cute things, like still this kind of aesthetic, not yet adult, but they are already adult, that kind of vibe, and they can do lovely makeup. Definitely green, beautiful shimmers I see here. I see also very nice metallic, and the orange, the burgundy shade, and this ashy green is they are very lovely, but didn't grab me that at first to sit with you, and it's much better when I swatch it. It's really lovely when I swatch it. So tell me, or I should do something with this, or I should, I don't know, pass that to my younger generation. It is lovely. I'll have lots of fun with that. Okay, so that was all in my box. When I swatch it all, I feel like it's much better than I was like having this impression when I open. You know what I mean? Like sometimes it's like that. I think that Eyescream Beauty Box, this is not a fail. Anyhow, it's a great box. It's a great box. So I highly recommend. I'm receiving that box for nine months already, and I'm always happy this way or another. Sometimes I'm very happy or surprisingly happy, you know. So I recommend that. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me, what do you think? Do you have this ice cream box? What was the first reaction if you had the September one? Because it was kind of funky with me, and I know my other friend also was like, also had similar feelings. But after swatching, it's lovely. Maybe just the appearance, like little childish appearance, didn't get me that well. All right. Take care of yourself, just like me playing you first, then others, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Tell me, do you like me to try on camera this box and do something together with you who has that, and tell me all about it. Thanks so much. Bye. Welcome in the makeup therapy. I'm Manuela. I'm 43 years what? I'm in the past. Damn. Okay.